My name is Anjali. Welcome to the free online course in English Grammar by Live and Learn. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this lesson with anybody that you know who might also be interested in improving their English by learning English grammar. Thank you. Let's move on to the lesson. Live and Learn free online course in English grammar. Lesson 15. Verbs Part 2. The infinitive. A verb is a word that expresses an action, a state of mind, or a state of being. Verbs tell us what is happening and for how long it is happening, in the past, present, and future. The infinitive. The infinitive is the root form of a verb, the pure verb itself, and as such, it indicates no tense. Therefore, it is classified as a non-finite verb form that does not indicate tense. Nowadays, many people say that the infinitive is just one word. They remove the to from the infinitive. This type of infinitive is called the base verb or the bare infinitive. However, when I was at school in England, we were taught that the infinitive was preceded by to, and that makes sense to me. A verb is a word that expresses action or movement in time. When we say to talk, we are expressing the action of talking, whereas if we say talk, that is a word which could be and is used as a noun, which expresses the idea of speech or the thing itself. We say, "That was an interesting talk the professor gave on astronomy." And here talk is clearly a noun. If we say, "I am going to write," we are expressing the action that we are going to perform. The same applies to the word love. When we say to love, we are expressing the action of loving. If we say love as in love is all there is, then love is clearly a noun, expressing the idea of love itself. Examples of infinitives in sentences. I need to pay the electricity bill. Jerry just wanted to sit quietly by himself and read. She rushed out to buy some potatoes. Examples of both definitions of the infinitive. Base verb or bare infinitive. Love, eat, drink, read, write, play, walk, run. Infinitive. To love, to eat, to drink, to read, to write, to play, to walk, to run. Split infinitives. Infinitives that are preceded by to are considered to be one indivisible unit. The rule for infinitives is that you should never put a word in between the to and the base verb, which means that you should never split the infinitive. However, that is considered to be a little old-fashioned now, and people do split the infinitive. Examples of split infinitives. To boldly go where no man has gone before. The journalists were not satisfied with the politicians' lies and began to loudly ask questions. The dog seemed to really want a walk. As you can see, it is not actually necessary to split the infinitive in the above sentences. They could easily be written as follows: to go boldly where no man has gone before. The journalists were not satisfied with the politicians' lies and began to ask questions loudly. The dog really seemed to want a walk. In the first sentence, which is a famous tagline from the TV and film series Star Trek, the producer insisted that the split infinitive sounded better. So it can be a matter of opinion as to whether it is split or not. Uses of the infinitive. The infinitive is often used like a noun in the following ways. It is called the simple infinitive or the gerundial or qualifying infinitive, depending on how it is used in a sentence. 1. The simple infinitive is used A. As the subject of a verb. To err is human, to forgive is divine. B. As the object of a transitive verb. He likes to play football. C. As the complement of a verb. She tries to exercise every day. D. As the object of, that is after, a preposition. The concert is about to begin. 2. The gerundial or qualifying infinitive is used to qualify A. Verbs, to describe the purpose of the verb. Some people eat to live, others live to eat. B. Adjectives. The students are eager to learn English. C. Nouns. The children have time to play after school. D. Sentences. I don't like papaya, to tell the truth. Uses of the infinitive without to. As a base verb. The infinitive is used without to in the following ways. 1. After some verbs such as let, make, dare, see, hear. 2. After the modal verbs will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, and must. 3. After the phrases had better, had rather, would rather, sooner than, and rather than. Examples. Don't you dare do it. I made him cry. She saw the cat climb the tree. He can speak English fluently. You should exercise every day. You must see the new film that has been released. I would rather play than work. She had better tell the truth this time. The infinitive can be present, perfect, continuous, active, and passive. The perfect infinitive expresses an action that has been completed. It is formed by placing the infinitive of the verb to have or to be in front of the past participle of a verb. The following tables will make it clear when to use to have and when to use to be. Active voice. Tense, present. Infinitive, to love. Tense, present continuous or progressive. Infinitive, to be loving. Tense, perfect. Infinitive, to have loved. Tense, perfect continuous or progressive. Infinitive, to have been loving. Passive voice. Tense, present. Infinitive, to be loved. Tense, perfect. Infinitive, to have been loved. We will look at participles, the active voice, and the passive voice in subsequent lessons. Well done! You have completed this lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson and you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who is also interested in improving their command of English by learning English grammar, please share this video lesson with them. If you would like to buy the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook, you can buy it as an ebook or as a paperback from the Amazon website that serves your country of residence. There are some links in the description box below the video. The book does go deeper into aspects of grammar, and it also contains exercises with answers so you can monitor your own progress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.